So just a quick video for you today, and really good if you've got any sinus issues, maybe blocked sinuses, maybe uncomfortable sinuses, maybe even you've got a chronic runny nose. Now remember, everything I'm going to teach you is not a substitute for medical advice, and if it feels uncomfortable, please stop. My name's Danielle Collins, world leading face yoga expert, and I am passionate about these techniques, not only for aesthetics, but also for wellness too. So you're taking your two index fingers and just coming here and here, either side of your nostrils. So as you press this area here and here, you want to use sort of light to medium pressure. It's really important not to go too hard at first. And if you can, breathe deeply with your lips closed and breathe through your nose. But you may find that even pressing this point at first feels a little bit tight in that area. If it does, don't worry at all. You can just ease the pressure off a little bit. Then you're going to circle gently in one way. You can do this anything for up to 20 to 30 seconds, and then the other way, gently circling 20 to 30 seconds. And then doing the same thing, but this time either side of the bridge of your nose. So here and here, and just finding that little bone and just pressing there. And we're going to hold there as we breathe. Again, if you can, lips together, breathe in and out through your nose. This is just clearing some of the channels, clearing the sinuses. You may find things move a little bit after this. You may need to blow your nose. And again, medium pressure here. If you feel intuitively like you want to go a little bit deeper, then that's fine. And then you can circle gently in one direction, gently in the other direction. And then just to finish, take your thumbs here and here and just move upwards and outwards. And just use again sort of medium pressure. If you can, breathe deeply as you do this. This really helps again just to clear the pathways, clear the energy a little bit. And in fact, let's do one last thing. I just want you to press there just for a moment and give a little circle one way and the other way. And that's it. Hopefully that helps, and it's good to do this sort of twice a day if you do have any sinus issues. If you'd like more information about my two books, Danielle Collins Face Yoga and the Face Yoga Journal, both packed full of over 50 different techniques for your face and your wellness, just go to faceyogaexpert.com. You can also get the books on Amazon, and you can also get them in all good bookstores. Take care. Bye bye.